Walking, swimming, climbing, great views and one amazing beach. This is Drone and Phone. Okay, good morning. Welcome to Drone and Phone. I'm Michelle.
I'm Caius.
And today we're in Sai Kung. What are we going to be doing today?
Today we're going to be doing stream hiking.
What is that?
Stream hiking is essentially similar to what we did with coast steering, except we're going to be going through the stream this time. So it's going to be a lot more wet, a lot more pools to go swimming in as well, and maybe some nice interesting bits to do.
Alright, cool. Let's go. There are many different names for stream hiking. River climbing, gorge walking, river trekking, canyoning, river tracing, canyon or mountain stream climbing are all used to describe the outdoor adventure activity of following a river through the mountains. It's a great activity to do in Hong Kong during the hot summers, as it's also the time when we get the most rain and the rivers are full. So right now we're heading to the stream and we've stopped by Saiwan Beach, and look how pretty it is. Our route started with a 1-hour walk with views over the High Island Reservoir before cutting across to the bay.
Okay, we've reached the stream now. I'll probably be climbing this for around another 2 or 3 hours and go swimming a bit. Just when you use the poles, make sure you put them in front of you, so it looks like this.
After some quick tips from Caius, we set off upstream. You need a good dry bag, some grippy shoes and walking poles if you have them. Getting wet is an essential part of this activity, both to keep you cool and to navigate some of the steeper gorges. You are also climbing as you follow the river towards its source, so you need to be fit. So we've passed most of the big rock pools and now we're just heading upstream. We're continuing on our way and it's really slippery, so if you just saw there I slipped on some moss, so if you're doing this route, be careful of the moss and hold on to drier rocks.
It's a really good stream to take for like family or friends because it's really nice yet still relatively easy and nice streams, scenery. I think for this bit we're all gonna have to swim across no matter what happens.
Our route took us up from the Sai Kung rock pools all the way up to Thousand Threads Fall. If you are feeling energetic, you can keep going all the way to the source of the river. The further you go up, expect the gorge to start narrowing and the water flow to ease.
Okay, this is the end of our trip today. We've gone swimming through the river, jumping into the pools and climbing up waterfalls. What do you have to say, Michelle?
I have to say that I've decided from today that I absolutely hate climbing on mossy rocks because it's so slippery and I would not do that again. But the fun bit was probably climbing up the 15-meter rock face. That was really fun. Join us next week when we head over to Lantau Island. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe on our Facebook and YouTube channels to be updated with all our adventures and event coverage.
I'm Caius.
I'm Michelle.
And this is Drone and Phone.